Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a question I know many of you have. What's the difference between the free version of ChatGPT and the paid version, also known as ChatGPT Plus? If you've ever wondered whether upgrading to the paid version is worth it, stay tuned. I'll explain the key differences, and we'll even do a live demo to compare how both versions handle the same tasks. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. The free version of ChatGPT runs on GPT 3.5, which is already powerful and great for handling most everyday tasks like answering questions, generating text, or brainstorming ideas. But the paid version, ChatGPT Plus, gives you access to GPT-4, a more advanced model. GPT-4 is designed to provide deeper insights, better accuracy, and more detailed responses, making it ideal for handling complex or nuanced tasks. Another key difference is performance. With the free version, during peak times, you might experience slower responses or even temporary unavailability because priority is given to paid users. On the other hand, with the paid version, you get priority access, meaning faster response times and guaranteed availability, even when the system is busy. This is super important if you rely on ChatGPT for work, studies, or other critical tasks. So why should you consider upgrading to the paid version? Here are the key benefits. Access to GPT-4. You'll notice a significant improvement in the quality of responses. GPT-4 is better at understanding context and providing more nuanced answers. Priority access, no waiting during peak hours, so you can rely on it anytime. Consistency, it's a great option for professionals, students, or anyone who uses ChatGPT regularly for important tasks. Now, which version is right for you? If you're a casual user who occasionally needs help with simple tasks like writing emails or brainstorming, the free version is more than enough. But if you're a student, content creator, or professional who relies heavily on AI for advanced or frequent tasks, the paid version can be a valuable investment. Now that we've covered the main differences, let's put it to the test. I'll show you how both the free version and the paid version handle the same tasks, so you can see the difference for yourself. Here, I have both versions of ChatGPT ready to go. On the left, we have the free version GPT 3.5, and on the right, the paid version GPT-4. I'll ask the exact same questions to both versions and compare their responses in detail. Let's start with this question. Explain the concept of quantum computing in simple terms. This topic is both technical and complex, so it'll be interesting to see how both versions simplify it. GPT 3.5 provides a basic explanation but lacks examples or depth. GPT-4 offers a more detailed explanation, including relatable analogies to help beginners understand. As you can see, GPT-4 provides richer context and examples, making it easier to grasp the key information even for beginners. If I were a beginner, it would be easier for me to understand information with the GPT-4 presentation form because it is directly compared both variable. Next, let's test their creative writing abilities. I'll ask both versions to write a short bedtime story about a robot who learns to dream. Let's see how their storytelling differs. GPT 3.5 produces a simple, straightforward story with minimal emotional depth. GPT-4 delivers a more imaginative story with vivid descriptions, emotional depth, and a clear moral. GPT-4 clearly excels at storytelling, providing a more engaging and creative narrative compared to GPT 3.5. Now, let's move to a practical task. I'll ask both versions to create a weekly workout plan for someone who wants to lose weight, but only has 30 minutes a day. Let's see how detailed and actionable their plans are. As you can see, sometimes the free version like this suddenly stops before the conversation is finished. This is a drawback as we discussed at the beginning of the video. GPT 3.5 offers a basic workout plan with general suggestions but lacks variation or rationale. GPT-4 provides a more personalized plan, including exercise variations, rest days, and explanations for each activity. If it's like this, then what you have to do is stop the conversation first, then we type continue so that ChatGPT continues what hasn't been finished. But sometimes this actually makes the conversation continue from the previous conversation. For example, previously the conversation stopped at the tips for success section, but the continuation is not like that. The follow-up conversation instead discusses tips for sustained weight loss and fitness. This is a real example of how sometimes the free version of ChatGPT can't do what we want. And that wraps up our comparison of GPT 3.5 versus GPT-4. I hope this demo gave you a clear picture of how these two versions differ, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a casual user or someone looking for advanced features, both versions have their strengths. But it's clear that GPT-4 takes things to the next level with its depth, accuracy, and versatility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Let me know in the comments which version you'd prefer to use, or do you have any questions? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos about AI, ChatGPT, and all things tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and if you're new to ChatGPT, check out my previous video on how to set up your OpenAI account and explore its features. Just click the link on your screen to watch it now.